Today I'm going to be taking a look at the FLEXISPOT E6 standing desk. Now this is powered by dual motors and is able to hold up to 352 pounds. We're going to open it up today, we're going to assemble it, and then we're going to test it out and see what it's all about. So let's get into it. The overall assembly of the FLEXISPOT E6 was actually very straightforward. The instructions were very clear and it was very simple to follow. Now, I will say you do need a second person, especially when you're trying to flip it over and you want to lay down your actual desktop. You don't want to hurt your back doing this, you don't want to injure yourself, plus you don't want to damage the desk as well. Especially when you've just purchased a brand new desk, you want to make sure it's looked after and you just really want to make sure you're using that second person. Now in the instructions, they do say you just need the Allen key that is supplied and a screwdriver or a electric drill if you have one. I did not have my electric drill, so I just used a screwdriver. It did work perfectly fine, but definitely having access to an electric drill would make this much more simple. When it comes to cable management, just take your time with it, get everything sorted out really nice and clean. You don't want cables dropping down and hitting your knees and stuff when you try and work. To turn on the LED display, all you have to do is press any of the buttons. Once it lights up, you'll see on the left that it shows the height that it's currently at. You'll have an up button, hold that down, and then you'll have a down button, you will hold that down. You do have 4 pre-saved selections. You have a standing, sitting, number 3, and number 4. Once you have your desired height, by pressing the M button, the memory, and then pressing the button that you'd like to assign it to, it will remember that, and next time you press it, it will be set at that height. So that means you can have 4 different heights set. The assembly process was super simple. There really wasn't any issues. The longest thing's probably just getting that cabling management under control, but just be precise about it and it's gonna work really great and look really great. So we do have the control panel right here and it will hold 352 pounds. I am not 352 pounds, but clearly with me sitting on it, there's no issue of it rising up and down. It's operating super smooth. It does have those dual motors, so it is super powerful as far as lifting up that extra weight. And those dual motors are super quiet. And let's set this up for work. I do love the aesthetic of the desktop itself. I went with maple. There is a bunch of different options like walnut, mahogany, bamboo, and white. And then you do have the choice of white frame legs or black frame legs. Now, of course, with the controls, you can set up on the left or the right. I have mine on the right over here. And you do have 4 preset heights that you can manually add from your sitting, standing, and a 3rd and a 4th for any custom type of heights that you want. Now I do have it on the plain legs, but they do actually come with wheels as well. So if you do need it to move around and have it as a mobile desk, then you do definitely have that option. So most of all, I was surprised at how strong these dual motors actually are. They're able to actually lift my weight on top of all of my gear here is quite incredible. So the desktop itself does come in a few different lengths from 48 inches all the way up to 78 inches. So you can actually have it the right size for what you need for your area. So honestly, I'm in love with this desk. It just gives me so much more space than what I used to have. The fact that I can actually stand up or sit down, that's something I've always wanted to add into my work environment, especially, I have lower back problems. So being able to stand up throughout the day while working is gonna be a super improvement. So if you are interested in the FLEXISPOT dual motor standing desk, then we are gonna put a link below for you to go check out. Please do like, comment, and share if you found this useful, and hit the subscribe button for more reviews like this.